Good afternoon, dear viewer. Addendum to today's video that I released before. Um, there's some new developments in the SPX and in BTC. So I said that we're probably breaking this trend line here. This one here is being broken. Still true. We are just retesting it from the bottom. I think there's a big fight going on right now. If we break above this and go back into this, go back above the trend line and follow up to the upside, then that is still bullish. Yeah? We still have not confirmed below. If we reject and create another lower low in here, that would be bearish for sure. So big fight going on at the moment. Let's see what happens here. In the meantime, I noticed, first of all, the trading view, it's a bit glitchy. I noticed when I switch time frames, sometimes the trend lines pop up in different places, which is very annoying. And I hope this gets fixed at some point. And this is why I also discovered this other trend line, or how I discovered. I was fiddling around with the settings. I was fiddling around with these trend lines because I could not get them right. I mean, I set them in one place, then I switched time frames. They're in completely different places. So I found also this trend line. I don't know how much this will stick. Yeah, it might be completely bullshit, but it is being defended at the moment. Let's see what happens. For me, like I said before, the most important part is to break above this 3,950. If we can do this, I think it could turn bullish. At the moment, they're in the downtrend. I mean, to be fully bullish, I think we have to at least break these highs here. This one and this one. These two. To break the, let's say, short time frame bearish trend. What is interesting as well is these divergences here. So we have 1, 2, 3 bullish divergences on the 4-hour chart. So still not decided. Still we're fighting here. I hope the bulls win at the end of the day. I reopened my long positions. This is the second thing that I wanted to show you. BTC, I reopened my long positions. I said, no, no way they're going to scare me out of these positions. I mean, I'm 100%, let's say, I know that I could be wrong on this, but what is really important for a trader, and I understand, is consistency and sticking to your own rules. So I was too quick, that was too emotional to close my longs here. Even though I was in a little bit of profit, I maybe didn't want to pay or I wanted to pay for the for closing these alts on with loss. So I'm happy to take this loss. I mean, it's not going to be a big one anyway. So I'm waiting, and the invalidation, according to Elliott waves, is below this this bottom here. Unless we break this, we are still in an uptrend. This is still a correction, 1, 2, 3, so ABC. This is still 2 impulses up, so this could be our wave 1, 2, and then we could go for the wave 3. Let's see. I mean, there's only one way to find out. I hope the bulls win. I hope the bulls can break this 3,950 level. Then I think we could get a little bit of a pump on BTC, tackle this trend line again, this one here. You see, this was support, 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 support here, resistance, resistance. So I hope we can break up again and get an extension in the 5th wave. But I'm sure that this is the last wave. So even if we break up, I will be closing my longs as soon as possible. So break of this, like I described before, break of this level, close 50%, let the rest run, and same on the alts. break of highs is I have to close at least 50% of these positions. So we'll see what happens. I hope this plays out. I hope the bulls win this fight. I will be watching this every now and again. And that's it what I have for today. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye bye.